Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we will explain the option used to define the account entry posting method for purchase vouchers. In the purchase voucher configuration, under Settings 2, we have an option to define the default account entry mode for purchase entries. The drop-down consists of two methods, automatic and manual. Let's start with the automatic account entry method. Save the configuration and click on New Bill to clear the existing details. Create a purchase voucher. In the case of automatic entry, the software automatically creates and posts the account entry when the entry is saved and it is reflected in the ledgers. To check the entry, click on View Total and then press F2 to see the account entry summary. This entry is auto-generated and will be passed according to the enabled option in the configuration. Now, let's discuss the manual account entry method. Open the configuration and set the account entry method to manual. Save the configuration and create a new voucher. In the header details, you will see the option for manual account entry. This column allows you to pass the account entry in the ledger manually. Simply define the taxes or discount heads and save the entry. In the case of manual entry, the entry defined here will be posted in the ledger and all other accounting statements. Make sure that the correct amounts and accounts are selected, as any discrepancies may lead to mismatches. For instance, let's enter the wrong tax amount in the manual entry. As you can clearly see, the manual account entry amount does not match the actual bill amount. Now, let's save the purchase and generate the ledger report. You can clearly observe that the amount entered manually is reflected in the ledger, as we had intentionally entered it incorrectly, while the actual voucher amount is different. Now, we need to correct the entry. Once corrected, the ledger will display the accurate amount. To avoid mismatches between manual entries and purchase vouchers, there is an option available in the purchase configuration under Other Settings 1. Tick the box to enable the option labeled Do not allow saving in case of bill difference and save the configuration. As shown, the software has triggered an error indicating a difference of 8 rupees. To resolve this, the manual entry must be corrected. This issue may arise from incorrect manual entries or incorrect rates or taxes defined in the voucher. Once the manual entry is corrected, the software will allow you to save the voucher.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.